Kamang ginakas. Sorry, aduh 잠깐만 차대에 진짜 기다렸지.
Five Nights at Freddy's limit.
Come on, don't be shy. Come back. Now what? What was that? Begin, start, I'm dead. God damn it! Yeah. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Over here, asshole. God damn it, God damn it, God damn it. Bang, 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 bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye.
그러는데요, 뭐 우리가 집중하시겠습니다. 딱 몇시 시와? Đúng rồi không? What do you want? Nothing. Okay. Move it. Huh. How? Hello, Mimic. What's up? One more. Now what? Aksan is dus sarap po. Kita ka mga belong. May kibang aksin David. Saulvioknya punyak sasunga. Tuwing nakakasos ako na rin. 안 더. alive. Good. Taka mga kay makaktak sirji. Please. Get out of here. Wanito na matutakok kao suking ha. Kangin na ako sumira ha. Aksan takman cumusa sakas. Mo natakok karaw ko. Holy makpi, honip ko nga. Huwag nga sige niya ka na daman ito kao ng gimat ng iksanan. Takos!
Operator suit detected. Run demonstration pre-show.
Mumiyay. Punta ba siya na? Yêu cái ạc sự chơi các chớ xỉu chích. Đó nó chỉ một xa xí mà. Hello.
Projector issues Lee. The projector is down again in the theater. I swear this stupid show is cursed. What was Edwin thinking? Making this kids thing. Plus those things just creep me out.
Yeah. I'm too scared. What was that? Ah, chocolate. Ayun nga lang.
Welcome, potential investors and buyers. Are you thinking of getting into the children's television entertainment space? Are the costs of writers, crew, and puppeteers holding you back? Then, boy, have we got some news for you. Welcome to the MCM television studio of the future. Here, there's no need for a cast or crew. Our patented Stage Manager software keeps your show on track and condensed to fit your broadcast time slot, including commercial breaks. If writers have you blocked, use an MCM story template. Simply supply the stage manager with the desired character names, location, and genre. It writes itself. Additional story templates available for purchase. What about the talent? Well, we removed the talent. No difficult puppeteers, demanding actors, or moody directors needed. Our system is drama-free. Simply interact with the performance by shooting targets to progress the story. And of course, you'll save a fortune on production costs. The MCM studio comes equipped with automated cameras, props, and lights. Seat filler audience included at additional cost. This example show is written and performed by a single costumed writer, director, cameraman, puppeteer, producer in front of an automated studio audience.
Pasisakan kita. Ano ka magpit? Pasisakan kita. Tagkoy matang na ani. Kukulat tanak ako sa kisiyan ni. Natukan na ako. Kulat tanak na ako sa kisiyan ni.
Moving on. Ken, after one interview, they offered me the job. It happened so quick. No questions about my work or skills. They asked one question. When can you start? I'm going to make double what I make here. You should come with me. There's a referral bonus if we can get more Murray employees to jump ship.
주상내 기사같지 이삐뚤 기사같지루 스필리아시 딱 도와줬다구만. I scared. I noticed. What you say? Makatakot singawa nga siya ta. Video kuranit tutakunikusak ka. Hello?
Oh, why did you go? You weren't even supposed to be there. You were supposed to be here with me and David. Oh, how am I supposed to tell David that his mother is gone? How am I supposed to raise a kid on my own? His life is ruined. My life is ruined.
Me too. I hate this. I hate mouse. Me. You are see me? Where are you? No. Ready, go and catch. Me only. I hate this. Puzzle game. Come on! Ah! It's not funny. I hate this. Ah. Maybe left. Talking free. Bad feeling. Not yet. I'm too scared. Don't talk to me. I hate this. Shh. I'm back. So what? I notice. Maybe.
Places, please. Operator, report to the stage left.
Now sit back and enjoy the demonstration.
Choose the broadcast target to begin the show.
No.
Shoot the broadcast target to begin the show.
No. I'm get out of here again. No. Ayun nga rami.
Main stage curtains. Action.
kid.
Ahoy, Foxy.
Oh, why ye look so down in the dumps? Today's the big surprise party. Ye should be excited.
I'm sad because today is the big surprise party. I forgot to get a gift. It's a disaster.
Shiver, timbers, no gift. All hands on deck. All hands on deck. Lads, did none of you get a present?
About an IOE. Foxy.
We need the perfect present for the big surprise party.
Oh, is that all, is it? Perfect present coming right up.
Yarg! What's all this racket?
Foxy, you woke up the captain.
Are we under attack? The ship be covered in decorations? Decorations. First mate Foxy, are ye having a party? Of course not, Captain. We would never. Right? Did ye forget pirate rule number 22? No parties. And pirate rule number 2? No decorations. Aside from our flag, that is. Bonjour, Master Foxy! The snacks are ready! Nard, how much did you make? As you know, there was no guest list, so I made a little extra. It's not enough. I can make more. Party snacks. Pirate rule number 1. No party snacks.
Move it.
Hold your fire! Foxy! Foxy, it's done! I gave it all I got, Foxy! I present to you the perfect present!
Yep.
Well done, bosses.
Foxy! Foxy! Roctopus! Roctopus on the starboard bow!
Curse ye, Foxy! Every sailor knows Roctopi are drawn to boat parties. This is why sailors don't have boat parties.
Hey, man. Groovy party. What do you got to eat?
Come on, lads! Stop that Roctopus!
Oh, far out.
Move it. Hi, how are you? Ah!
Bummer. This party's a downer, man. What a bunch of squares.
Well done, lads. You all work together for once, like a real crew. You've made me the happiest captain on the seven seas.
Foxy, you did it! You did it! You found the perfect present for the captain!
I did?
The perfect present for friendship all along!
Foxy, this party was for me?
Why, of course, Captain. Who else?
Foxy, my birthday was last week.
Emergency. Unsafe conditions detected. The show must go on. Simply shoot the targets to progress the story. Please follow the script. Reloading.
Okay.
Reloading.
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 Oh, no. Poor Captain. Another Springlock failure? According to your records, this is not your first visit to the service hospital. Scanning. Error. It appears you have a foreign object wedged inside. Now don't you worry. We will get you all sorted out. Stay right there, and I will consult the service manual. Good news! The procedure is simple. We must clear out the foreign material. First, we will blend up the foreign object. Then, you'll need a stringent steam clean to soften up the remaining organic material so we can scoop it out. Finally, we will flush out your interior with a power hose, then give you a nice long soak in the bleach bath. You will be shipshape in no time. Please wait here until your number is called. There are 4,625 tasks ahead of you.
I hate this. What happened? I can't move. Okay. Okay, naktumitaas mo yung matyoksa tsaka.
I'm very excited about our next showroom. Welcome to the world's first recycling center. Basically, we take trash and turn it into cash. To explain how it all works, let me introduce one of our many hard-working recycling automations. Say hello, Nurse Dolly.
Hello, Nurse Dolly.
Oh, that gets me every time. I thought it would be fun to go with a doll hospital theme. Pretty neat, huh? Dolly, tell them what you do.
I am recycling. Edwin Murray coined the term, and it will soon be an industry standard. I take broken stuff and turn it into new stuff. So much money is saved by reusing these old parts that we call it going green.
Because money is green, not the old parts.
Edwin is a genius. Wink.
Oh, get back to work, you. But Edwin, how does it work, you may ask? Well, we collect various discarded materials. I'm talking about broken Midway games, costumes, computer and television parts, vacuum cleaners, toasters, and precious metals. Those useless things are then used to create new Midway games, costumes, and technologies for your family fun center at a discounted price. And what we can't use is broken down into its basic components, which we then sell at a profit.
I hate this. What's up? Bye. 머리 어디 갔다 온다 또. I'm dead. I hate this. I hate so much. I know it. I hate so much. Hello, friend. How are you today? Mọi người sẽ ngô sụp vui. 대충 또? 예이. 종료 역부이라. Okay. What? What was that? 간호를 쓸지 아니고 왜? 상관이 아니고 신난 까로 말이인가 덕비싸가
Time
덕도
to do my rounds.
잠깐만 봐봐. 동안 누가 수일? Ako na ako sa kasi mo. Oh, friggin' good.
No disassemble.
Oh, hey, asshole.
I recommend shock therapy.
Ah, ito das yung. Understand you. Easy peasy, squishy peasy. Okay. What up?
Prepare.
out.
Seriously, is this place my patient?
Joku noin jahtoo-sukkui.
Reduce.
Reduce. Joku ambar waktu taka kung ganda syuchi. Kawakan tissue. Woo! Là đảo. Rồi bị máy. Là cọp. Så placerat. Var det en kampanj något?
I can't take it, Barb. I swear if I hear that song one more time I'm going to tear that dolly off her hinges. I have no clue how much longer I can take it here. Energy quota. All personnel are expected to meet their energy quotes before returning home. No exceptions. Milton.
어디에 딱 가만히 복숭아가오 또. Oh, sorry.
Hello there. If you're one of our prospective clients, then you've wandered into an off-limits area. For your safety, cover your head and crawl slowly but steadily towards the nearest exit. Attention security personnel. We need to keep the furnace running every night. The recycling center staff is not to leave the building until the furnace checklist is completed every night. No exceptions. For your safety, but mostly for the safety of our upstairs employees, elevator access is closed until all furnace tasks are complete. The fumes down here can be strong, but I can help. This helpful checklist will remind you how to do your job. The following furnace tasks remain. Dispose of an appropriate amount of salvage material into designated trash chutes. Use the conveyor control to empty trash into the incinerator. Don't forget to turn the furnace power on before you leave every night. Hello, Creator. Did you lose your way? This is no place for creative thought. It's so loud and clanky. Head back upstairs and make the magic happen.
Ayun girang me. Para Noah. I'm back. Motherfucker. Có lỗi.
Anyone notice that the door locks now? What are we supposed to do? Sleep here, Ralph.
So тамаан гэлцэриарлуу наанертарерпуас хойнас наатсан пуисинарлорсмассас тамасипай туллимтакус. Bye bye.